Definitely heavy duty. You can tell there's quality, better leverage.
It gives you more leverage to cut the thicker metals and the thicker wires. That way you don't have to have your linemen's all the time. You know, you can use the diagonal pliers instead.
The cut's very easy. There's not a lot of stress on your hands when you're cutting it. It goes through the stuff pretty easily.
Klein's heavy-duty steel wire strippers boast the heritage and durability of Klein pliers, with the sharpness and precision of a wire stripper. Like Klein's iconic pliers, these wire strippers are hot forged, making them 4 times stronger than traditional Klein wire strippers. Heat treating optimizes the strength of the steel at the microscopic level to ensure that the tool is sturdy, the handles are soft, and the cutting edges are hard. 2 models strip solid and stranded wire. Each feature the 2 most common sizes for screw shearing. The hot riveted joint prevents wobble and separation of the blades over time. Induction hardened cutting knives, easily pinch cut hardwire, perform better and last longer than the stamp tools knives. Knurled jaws produce a strong grip when you're grabbing or twisting wire. The wide heads let you twist up to 3 wires at a time. Klein curve handles with the journeyman grip provide added comfort. Made with the same exacting standards as Klein pliers, these heavy-duty wire strippers will be in your tool bag for the next generation. Klein tools, for the professional tradesperson since 1857. The innovatively designed Klein Curve long nose wire stripper strips 10 to 20 solid and 12 to 22 stranded wires and crimps insulated and non-insulated connectors. The head has been reinforced to prevent flex or overlap when twisting or bending wire. The extra reinforcement keeps stripping holes true to size and improves the durability of the tool. The tip is uniquely designed to grab, pull, and bend even the smallest of wires. Precision shear-type cutting blades make for clean and easy cutting. This combination wire stripper and crimper is suitable for a variety of jobs, including both electrical and HVAC applications. The Klein Curve long nose wire stripper is designed and manufactured by Klein Tools in Mansfield, Texas. Klein Tools, for the professional tradesperson since 1857.